A new product has recently joined the REDATS lineup. Meet the REDATS C-120, a TPMS service tool designed for reading and programming tire pressure monitoring sensors. With this device, you can quickly check sensor status, read sensor data, and program new TPMS sensors. In this video, we'll show you everything included in the box. Let's get started. The device comes in a sturdy, hard-carrying case with a dual zipper and a comfortable handle, making it easy to transport and safely store in any workshop environment. Inside, you'll find the original user manual, which guides you through every step of using the device right from the start. It covers everything from registration to sensor programming, sensor cloning, and basic TPMS procedures. In the zippered compartment, you'll find a charger with a power adapter. It's a 5-volt, 2-amp charger with a standard USB Type-A output. Next, we have the wireless VCI communication interface. It's compact, lightweight, and won't get in the way once it's plugged into the OBD port. One nice feature is the built-in LED light hidden inside the OBD connector, which can be activated using the button on the side of the housing. It helps illuminate the OBD port when you're trying to plug the interface into a connector hidden under the dashboard. The battery powering the LED can be charged directly through the vehicle's OBD port or via the USB-C port on the back of the interface. That same USB-C port is also used to connect the interface to the diagnostic device using the supplied cable. Speaking of the cable, it's included in the package as well. It's about 80 centimeters long and features USB Type-C connectors on both ends. An additional USB-C to USB Type-A adapter is also included, allowing you to use the same cable for charging both devices as well as connecting them together. On the other side of the case, you'll find the main unit, the REDATS C-120 diagnostic device. With it, you can check, activate, and program TPMS sensors on virtually any vehicle equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system. If you'd like to see how to work with TPMS sensors, be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to the REDATS channel. The REDATS C-120 features a color TFT display with a resolution of 240 by 320 pixels. It is powered by a 3000 mAh battery, which, as mentioned earlier, is charged via USB-C. Once you register the device using its serial number, you'll receive lifetime software updates. For more technical specifications, including additional features, dimensions, weight, and, most importantly, the list of supported communication protocols, visit our website. We'll leave the link in the description below. If you're interested in TPMS sensor programming, or if you'd like to see the more advanced REDATS C-220 programmer, be sure to visit our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.